This is Ramzari and she's going to make me a local dish. I think it costs about £2, so I'm trying to support so nice. There we go. There. Ramzari, let's go. Let's see working your magic. Right. I'll pause that and we'll come back to the finished article. Right, there we go. So that bread's going on there. I'll pause that just now. There we go. So we'll just resume that and we can see our wee pancakes now got an omelette on it with spices, and we're going to get some herbs on that. Some herbs and some goodies, and I tell you, it's absolutely fabulous. So we'll resume that. So that's the equivalent of a Subway back home. But it's a fraction of the price, some were complaining. Thank you very much. Actually getting a wee bag of beer, which is quite nice. And there we go, job done.
How much is that?